on this roof rack system, this is the modular rack system. It's probably the most aerodynamic rack and lowest profile rack that we've installed. But what's really cool up here is we're chance wired up 4 Zampa Obsidian panels, and they sit pretty much flush with the top. So super low profile, you're not gonna get any wind noise. 4 of them, this is feeding a 48 volt electrical system. We can get more into detail on that in other videos. So really low profile solar footprint with a lot of electrical energy coming into it. One thing I like about these racks, the cross beams, you can drill into them, you can modify them however you want, and then you can replace them. It's easy to replace just a section and change things on this rack up here. There you go. That's it. You got any inputs? Did you do it?
Yeah, dude.
Did you design it though? So installer Hayden did it. Chance invented it though. Cool, that's it. Here we go. Fall down, climb down this nice rugged ladder.